Good morning, my name is Ken Arzone. I'm a professional landscape gardener. I was self-employed for 43 years. I retired last year, but I wanted to give you a tip on how to make some money on a gardening job. You can see all my equipment here. I have a Toro mower, Echo weed eater, Echo blower. I got shears, gas can, earmuffs, I have a little fertilizer, I have a rake. And here's a yard right here. How much would I charge for this yard per week? Well, $15 a week would be $60 a month. Now you want to see how I can make some money on this job? Very simple. What would I do first? You see the bush right here? This is a small yard. So I'm just going to give you an example on how to make $15 in 15 minutes on a small yard. What would I do first? I trim this bush first. Take the shears, but don't hold the shears like this. Hold it like this. Now watch. See, go like that. Just very nicely to trim. Do it lightly. You never want to trim a bush too harshly because bushes are tender. See? Very nicely trim it. Just go around. Do a little bit at the bottom. Just a little bit. A little touch on the top. See? That looks all right. And for the customer, they don't want to see the bush drastically trimmed. What would I do next? Take a rake. Put it on the yard. Not too bad. See? Just put it on the yard like that. What would I do next? Get earmuffs for the ears. Start your mower up. Okay, am I gonna mow that way or am I gonna mow that way? I suggest mowing this way so when people look at it from the street, they don't see the lines, okay? So, let's go. Why did I mow it higher? Because in the summertime, you leave it 2.5, 3 inches, because the hot sun, you don't want to burn. See how nice and green it is? Now in the wintertime, I'd go down to 2 inches, so I'll lower the mower in the winter. Next step, weed eater. Check your line. I like having a little long. Fine. You want to do it twice. I'm going to go straight, and then I'm going to do the angle. So first, straight. don't want to have it on full blast. Have it about medium. Full blast, you'll fling the rocks. See, like that. There's a sprinkler right here. Watch this. Just do it lightly. Don't gouge it. What I do next? Give it a little fertilizer. Every 3 months is fine. And what you do is you broadcast it. You don't want to use a roller because that'll burn it. Broadcasting is throw it. And just do it very lightly. See? Very lightly. You do that every 3 months, you won't burn it. That's all you gotta do. And see how nice and green and thick it is? Look at this yard, very nice. What would I do next? See, this is a small yard. I haven't been here 15 minutes. Just survey, get my blower. You can see I blew it up, but there's some stuff on the yard, right? So I just go like this then. Now, I'll load up my truck, and I may check the sprinkler box just to make sure it's working. So I'll go on the side of the house, check. If everything checks out, come out. I don't need to turn the sprinklers on because you can see there's nothing wrong. I load up my truck and I'm gone. And that's how you make $15 on a small yard. You can do 20 of these a day. Charge them $60 a month. You can add $5 and tell them, hey, I put fertilizer on this month. But you only fertilize about 3-4 months. So 1 month, this month, I'll charge them $65. Thanks for looking. Ken Arzone. I am out. Bye.